Take a look at this. At first, it looks like nothing more than a piece of drifting seaweed, floating peacefully with the ocean current. But look a little closer. Because this isn't a plant. It's an animal. And not just any animal. It's one of the greatest masters of camouflage ever discovered. Meet the Leafy Seadragon. A creature so perfectly disguised that even experienced divers sometimes swim right past it without ever noticing. Today we're uncovering the secrets behind one of the most extraordinary fish on Earth. The Leafy Seadragon is a close relative of the seahorse and pipefish. It lives only in the cool coastal waters of southern Australia. Unlike most fish, it doesn't have scales that stand out or a powerful tail for swimming. Instead, evolution gave it something much more valuable. Disappearance. Its body is covered with dozens of leaf-like appendages that sway gently with the movement of the water. To almost every predator, it simply looks like floating seaweed. Here's something surprising. Those leafy branches aren't used for swimming. They're not even real fins. They're decorative extensions designed almost entirely for camouflage. The actual swimming is done by two tiny, nearly transparent fins. One sits on its back, the other near its neck. They move so quickly they're almost invisible, allowing the Leafy Seadragon to glide silently through the water without revealing itself. It's like watching seaweed come to life. Unlike sharks or tuna, the Leafy Seadragon isn't a fast swimmer. Can't chase prey. It also can't easily escape larger predators. So instead of running, hides. This camouflage protects it from seals, large fish, and seabirds while allowing it to sneak close to tiny shrimp and plankton before gently sucking them into its long snout. Sometimes the best defense isn't fighting. It's never being seen at all. Now comes one of the most fascinating parts of the story. Like its seahorse relatives, the male takes care of the eggs. After mating, the female carefully places hundreds of bright pink eggs onto a special brood patch beneath the male's tail. For several weeks, he carries and protects them while oxygen-rich blood nourishes the developing embryos. When they're finally ready, tiny sea dragons hatch and begin life completely on their own. It's one of the ocean's most remarkable examples of fatherhood. Although leafy sea dragons have survived for millions of years, they face growing threats. Coastal pollution, habitat destruction, climate change, illegal collection for aquariums. Because they live only in a relatively small part of the world, changes to their habitat can have a big impact. Today, conservation efforts are helping protect both the sea dragons and the underwater forests they depend on. The Leafy Seadragon reminds us that some of nature's greatest masterpieces aren't loud or dangerous. They're quiet, patient, almost invisible. A fish that pretends to be seaweed. A father that carries his young. A living work of art hidden beneath the waves. The ocean still holds countless mysteries. And this incredible animal is one of its most beautiful. Nature has millions of secrets. And tomorrow we'll uncover another one.